Now this video is for my welders. This is a professional video. If you're not a professional welder, please scroll past this video, please. I need all my welders come to the front of the line, okay? Now I paid a company to put this on my truck, right? But I want to know, it's not welded all around. They put weld here at the side, one in some weld here in the middle, and another at the end, as you can see. And it's the same thing around this side here, right? What I want to know is, can that weld on the truck carry this 40-foot truck, food truck, around without breaking off? That's all I want to know.